classmates, I got here glass of water and salt and bagong and cologne and bath soap and fish sauce. Now I'm going to smell the things I got here. First, the water. It smells. It don't smell. Next, the soap. It smells nothing. Next, this one. It smells bad. Now this one. It smells good. How about this one? So it smells good. How about this one? Smells bad. Now I'm going to group them. This water here. This salt here. This bagoong here. This clone here. This here. This one here. This group has no smell. This group has smells good. This group smells bad. Thank you for watching.